On with the tutorial, and now we're going to be creating sections using the elevation and section file that we worked on before. So just hit save so we continue. All right, now we're going to go use our section line. So again, we're sticking to the home, and we have our section elevation things right in the corner next to what's the next to detail components. So we're going to go use section line. So section line, we're going to go and start drawing a line. So we're going to go through from here, for example. We'll cut through the stairs. Let's go make sure we have F8 on so we get some straight lines. Let's go a little bit past our staircase to the passage right over here. Let's take off our snaps. I should have had this off in the beginning. Why? Because it's not just going to snap to random objects. Let's go cut through and go to right around here. Press none so it doesn't snap to anything, and let's just go straight up through our building, through the patio, outside. All right? Now that we have selected the 2 points, we're going to go press the enter button. And now you can see we have a little cube. Do you want to go this direction we're going to grab, or are we going to pull it this way? Depending on which way you're going, that's the view we're going to see. So in this case here, we want to see what's going on in the house this way. So we're going to go click from here to here. Right? So now we have our section pointing what direction we're going. Similar to what we did last time, we just go and click where we want to put it. Right over here. And we have our section of our house, cutting through the stairs and through the building itself. Good. So we automatically did it again. I could do the other side. I could click on it. I could reverse it this time. I can make another one, generate section. I could do a dialog box. I could play with my settings here again. Tell you where I want to go, add or remove objects. If I'm okay, I'll say pick point, and I'll put it right over here. Press OK, and I have it with the opposite direction. Okay. I could have also done another section. Same thing, section line, but this time I'm going to cut through our house. So I'm going to go same exact way, but I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go from here. Let me just first take off object snaps. So let's go from here, come across, and literally just cut through our house. Or I could do this. I could cut a bit here, and then go through the garage door, all the way through like this. And now it says enter. Choose where I want to place my view. Oh, sorry, the length I want to go for. Let's go this way. And my insertion point would be over here. So you're going to notice that the garage door is going to be a solid and the other one not. Why? Depending on how I cut through it. So if we look at the reference line, I'm cutting through the building here. I'm stopping. I'm going outside the building, so now I see the exterior, and then going inside. If I don't want to see that, I could grab here and pull it inside the garage. I should make a straight line at this point. But now if I refresh this view, you're going to see now I see cut through the whole part. If I flip the direction, reverse it, same exact method, generate the view right beside it. You're going to see now I see the garage doors, but from the inside of the house. So there you go, placing the 2 sections. So now you saw how we did the elevations and sections longitude transverse through the building. You could change the direction, you can modify it. I could go here, go a little bit through the stairs, and as soon as I'm happy with it, I go back to the view. I can either refresh it or just generate a new one if I want to keep the other one as a reference as well. Good. Now we're going to go and create named model space views as well. So let's go back to where we were before. Right? So I have 1,000 pictures here. I'm just going to close this file, save it because I want to keep it. And now I'm going to go back, open up our project navigator, and I'm going to go right click on view again, and this time I'm going to go and do, oops, wrong thing. I'm going to go to our elevation, sorry, right click on it, and I'm going to go do new view drawing. No, wait, it should be new model space. So hold on, I'm making a mistake here. It should be able to go from here. There you go. Open up the here, and it should be new. I should be able to see new model space. I think it's because I closed the drawing. I don't see it. I should see this one. So let's see if I have it open in the background, right? Now that it's open in the background, let's go back, right click, and you notice, look at this. I have a option to do what I need, which is a new model space view. So I'm going to go here, click new model space view with it active. And here now is where I'm going to name my views. So I'm going to use south elevation. So this is going to be my front. South elevation. Choose my scale, which in this case is 1/4. And now I'm going to go choose the view that I want. So I'm going to go choose this point right over here. Move this guy. And I'm going to look for my front view, which is this guy over here. And I go from one corner, so over here, to over here, right? I just click. And now I have the option to press OK. Once that's done, you're going to notice now it says south elevation. Do the same thing to the next view. So the next one is going to be the, so if this is south, this is going to be the east, right? North, east, west, south. So this is the east. So this is the view over here. Same method again. Right click, new model space view. Same scale. We're going to call it east elevation. I'm just going to copy the elevation part so I can use it for the next one. I'll just copy everything. Select it. Go choose my view from here to here. OK. Do the same thing to the next view again. Right click, new model space view. This one is going to be my my north. So I'm just going to go back and modify the name. North. Select it. This guy here. Press OK. And do the final one for the west. So go here again. I could go do new model space view. West. Okay. Select it. Click like this. Press OK. And then you'll notice I have the views here. I also could do the same thing for my sections. So go again. Go here, right click, model space view. What this is doing is giving us XREFs that we can use later on. So now we're going to go do our, we set our section. So we'll call it section 1, I guess. Section. Select. Go choose a section you want. So I'll use this one here. Okay. Go do another one. Section 2. Let's go choose this one here. All right. So now you notice we have our sections. If I go look over here, I have a whole bunch of different files. So if I go click the north elevation, what's that going to do? It's going to zoom in right away to my north view. If I go to the east, east elevation. My south, section 2, whichever one I made, it's going to automatically bring it to that file. So it's always having this one open, but it's going to zoom in so you know exactly which section that view belongs to. Once you're done, hit the save button. Okay? Any questions so far? So we're going to do one more chapter, which is building the model corrections for the section elevations. So we're going to do a little bit of things. We're going to fix the walls for interference, and we're going to fix lowering the walls for the stairs. So in this case here, we're going to go back to our upper level. So let's go close this now. Open. Let's go, oops, wrong button. Over here. Let's go back to our upper level. Okay, let's go to the 2D wireframe. And we're going to go select the walls. So we're going to go select all the exterior walls. So we're going to go here, oops, not that, this wall here, and select similar. Okay, we're selecting all the exterior walls, and we're going to do like we did before. We're going to go to modify floor line, and we're going to go to modify roof line. From here now, we're going to go choose offset, and we're going to type in 8 inches. All right? And we're going to go press enter again. Now, all the exterior walls we did are going to have interference. If I go check, so they're all going to interfere. The next thing we're going to do, same thing again. We're going to go grab all our exterior walls again. We're going to go use our interference. We're going to go do add. We're going to go select the 2 roof slabs. So 1, 2. And we're going to go use the enter. That's a subtract button. And it's going to ask us, do not touch the wall, still apply the interference. You're going to say no to that. Don't say yes. Say no. If it doesn't affect the wall or doesn't touch it, don't touch our wall. Just hit no. And it's going to adjust our drawing. Now, let's save it and close this file. All right. Now we're going to open up our entry level. We're going to go again to our isometric view. We're going to make sure we toggle the hatches. So we should be able, right over here. Is this the hatch button? No. Where's the toggling of the hatch? Where is my surface hatch? Do we see here anywhere? Anybody see surface hatch? 2D objects. No, we don't have it. Okay, so it should have been over here, but I don't have the button. It's okay. We're going to go now, and we're going to go make sure we only have these stairs. So let's go back. We have the stairs showing. It's a little bit hard to see it. Let's see if I could do this. So we have the stairs. Right? And we're going to go and do the internal. Actually, we did this already. We fixed this already. If you didn't fix, remember what we did here? We clicked the wall, we did the interference. So we already adjusted that wall, so we don't have to worry. If you didn't do it, then you adjust it now. But we adjusted it in the beginning. So everything else seems okay now. So now that we adjusted that, that was it. We adjusted in the past. I forgot that we did that already. So just close it, save. Let's go look at our 3D views. Let's go open up our views, our sections. And everything seems, let's do a refresh on everybody. Refresh. Everything seems good. Perfect. So we have no issues. Everything is fine. And that's it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and do whatever you want.